Hi, I'm Lisa and I buy all the cleaning products at Lakeland. This video is all about how to care for your floor using the Lakeland range of mops and cleaning products. Autumn's coming along with the rain, muddy feet and muddy paws, so I'm going to share a few hints and tips to keep those floors nice and clean. For those of you wondering what kind of mop to use on your floor, that's absolutely down to you. Some people prefer a string mop, some a flat mop and some a spray mop. The most important thing is to ensure that you use the correct formula depending on the kind of floor surface that you're keeping clean. Mop heads are really easy to keep clean. Just pop them in the wash at 30 degrees. You need to mop your floor whenever it gets dirty. That could be every day, every hour, or just once a week. Depends on the traffic in your home. Mopping your hard floors is really important. Number one, it keeps that floor clean and pristine. But number two, it stops you trailing all the dirt into the rest of your home and into your carpets, which are more difficult to keep clean. I'm often asked what to use to clean the floor, and that big question, should I use bleach on my floor? Don't use bleach on your floor. You're much better using the correct formula depending on your surface. We have a range of wood floor cleaners. You need to look after that wood. Laminate, you need to ensure that your laminate is always shiny and clean. And stone floors, they're probably a bit easier to keep clean. Steam mops are fantastic for killing bacteria on a grubby floor without the use of chemicals. That hot steam will kill it and clean it at the same time. Lots of people love using steam mops on their floors. They're great, but I would never recommend them on a wooden floor. That hot steam will open up the grain of your wood and ruin it overnight, so don't use steam mops on your wooden floors. At Lakeland, we have a fantastic range of mops for every surface, and we have formulas to go with all of those mops. So whether it's something for wood, laminate or tile, something for a quick clean or a deep clean, we have it all. For polishing wooden floors, we'd recommend either the Lakeland branded or the Bona branded wood floor polishes. One of my favourite floor tips is to use a magic eraser block on all those little scuffs and tufts on your floor just before you start mopping. Gets rid of them straight away. I'm often asked, why is my polished floor looking a bit cloudy in patches? And that's just a build-up of polish. You need to use a special floor stripper. We sell the Holloway House one, which is our favourite, just to get rid of that old polish and get right back to the floor. Once you've finished mopping, just dispose of your water down the sink. As long as there's no bleach in it, it will be fine. My favourite mop is the spray mop. Really simple to use and great on any floor surface. The easy to use trigger delivers just the right amount of formula onto the floor. You don't want too wet a floor. You can put any formula in the removable, refillable tank. Perfect for any floor. Down here at the mop head is where the spray formula comes out when you pull the trigger. When you finish mopping, just remove the mop head and pop it in the washing machine. I'm always asked how much water to use when mopping the floor. I would say use as little as possible. You want your mop head damp rather than soaking wet. You get just as good effect and it's much easier to do. If you don't like using chemicals around your home, microfiber mop heads work really well just with water.